Hey everyone, welcome to a new installment of the Digital Nomad Playbook. I'm Coach Gill. Today, I'll provide a step-by-step guide to launching an international teaching career and making a meaningful impact while exploring the world. Teaching English abroad is a fantastic way to combine your passion for language with the opportunity to travel and immerse yourself in new cultures. We'll cover everything you need to know to make this dream a reality. Let's get started. Over 2 billion people worldwide are actively learning English, creating unprecedented demand for qualified teachers. Teaching English abroad offers life-changing benefits like cultural immersion, career growth, extensive travel, and meaningful connections across cultures. Earning potential varies greatly, from $700 per month in Costa Rica to $5,000 per month tax-free in the UAE, allowing you to match your lifestyle goals. Teaching English abroad is an incredible opportunity to make a difference while experiencing personal and professional growth. The global demand for English language learning is at an all-time high, with 1.75 billion English learners worldwide according to British Council 2025 data. China is the world's largest English learning market with over 300 million learners. There is also a significant and growing demand for English instruction across Europe, with over 150 million learners. Some of the top destinations for TEFL certified English teachers include China, South Korea, Japan, and Spain, offering competitive salaries, excellent benefits, and rich cultural experiences. The TEFL certification allows teachers with no prior experience to access thousands of English teaching positions globally. The first step in becoming an English teacher abroad is to research and choose your destination. There are many popular teaching countries to consider, including South Korea, China, Japan, Thailand, Spain, the UAE, Costa Rica, and Taiwan. Each offers diverse opportunities with varying requirements and benefits. When evaluating potential destinations, it's important to carefully consider the financial aspects, such as salary expectations, cost of living, housing allowances, health insurance, and potential savings. You'll also need to research visa requirements, work permit processes, cultural norms, and teaching environments to ensure compatibility with your goals and lifestyle. Leveraging the expertise of TEFL advisors and attending free webinars can provide personalized guidance to help you find the right fit. There are plenty of great destinations outside of what I mentioned for teaching English. So take the time to thoroughly research and select the option that aligns best with your career aspirations and personal preferences. TEFL certification is the industry standard for teaching English abroad, opening doors to quality positions worldwide. There are different course format options, fully online, intensive in-person, or hybrid models combining online and hands-on practice. TESOL and CELTA are globally recognized TEFL certifications that enhance your credibility and earning potential as an English teacher. Many TEFL certification programs offer comprehensive job placement assistance, resume help, and interview preparation after graduation. Visit digitalnomadcollab.com to learn more about teaching English abroad in 2025. Your application materials are the first impression you'll make, so put your best foot forward. Start with a compelling resume that highlights your transferable skills like communication, creativity, organization, and leadership. Be sure to emphasize any international experience or language abilities you have. In your cover letter, demonstrate your cultural adaptability, genuine passion for teaching, and specific interest in the target country and student population. Gather strong references from employers, professors, or community leaders who can speak to your character and teaching potential. If you don't have teaching experience, the key is to demonstrate transferable skills such as strong communication and organization. One of the biggest problems in TEFL teaching is teachers who arrive late or are absent. Therefore, it helps to show that you have held jobs long-term in the past, so you are punctual and dependable. Reputable employers are not a given in this industry. Look for established language schools, international education programs, or recognized volunteer organizations with proven track records. Be vigilant about scams. Verify employers thoroughly, never pay upfront fees, and use trusted TEFL networks and job boards for legitimate opportunities. Interviews are what potentially seal the deal. Therefore, research local culture, demonstrate your teaching methodology knowledge, show genuine enthusiasm, and prepare specific examples of your adaptability. Visa requirements can vary dramatically by country, so it's important to research the specific visa needed for the country where you want to teach. Some countries require work permits or specialized teaching visas with specific documentation, so be sure to understand all the requirements early on. Start the visa application process at the same time as your job search to allow plenty of time. Prepare all the necessary documents like contracts, background checks, health certificates, and educational transcripts in advance. When planning your journey, book flights strategically, arrange temporary accommodation, and research local transportation to prepare for a smooth arrival experience. The goal is to have all the logistics sorted out well ahead of time so you can focus on your new life abroad. Networking with other teachers, both expatriates and locals, can help you build a valuable support system and learn from their experiences. Taking the time to learn some basic local phrases and cultural norms shows your students and the community that you're making an effort to adapt and engage with the local culture. Developing engaging, culturally relevant lesson plans tailored to your students' needs and learning styles will help you connect with them and maximize their learning. Maintaining an open and curious mindset towards cultural differences will help you navigate the transition and make the most of your teaching experience abroad. Building a strong professional network and support system will enhance your personal and professional development during your time in the new teaching environment. As an English teacher abroad, building strong relationships with your students and colleagues can enrich your overall experience traveling. Continuously pursue professional development opportunities like workshops, online courses, and peer feedback to enhance your teaching skills and career prospects. Use your free time to explore your host country, enhancing your personal and professional experience with cultural exploration. Remember your teacher training. Implement engaging, interactive teaching methodologies that make learning English enjoyable and effective for your students. Your dedication and passion as an English teacher can have a profound impact on your students' lives. Here are recent testimonials from 3 individuals who have completed our TEFL program and gone on to find rewarding teaching positions abroad. First up is Samantha, who shares how the TEFL program provided the foundation for a life-changing experience teaching abroad. Next, Jason talks about transitioning from no teaching experience to landing a job in Spain and the support he received from the program. Finally, Ryan Hudson emphasizes the intensity of the 4-week program, but also the confidence it gave him in lesson planning and teaching. These stories highlight the real-world impact our TEFL certification can have on launching a fulfilling career teaching English overseas, and you can find more information about our program at digitalnomadcollab.com. Here are 3 key areas to help you thrive as an international teacher. First, building a strong support network is crucial. Join active alumni groups and online TEFL communities to stay connected, find job opportunities, and get cultural advice. Second, master financial planning. Budget carefully for startup costs, research local living expenses, and understand salary schedules and currency exchange. Finally, cultivate adaptability, stay flexible and open-minded. Cultural resilience is essential for thriving abroad. Remember, success requires preparation, but most importantly, an adventurous spirit and commitment to cross-cultural education. The world is in great need of qualified English teachers to make a meaningful impact on international education. This is an exciting, transformative journey. Teaching English abroad is more than just a job, it's a profound adventure in personal and professional growth. Your unique teaching style and expertise are in high demand from eager, motivated students around the world. Visit digitalnomadcollab.com to start your journey teaching English abroad. Take action today. Research your ideal destination. Get TEFL certified, and get help from a TEFL advisor for guidance on your teaching abroad journey. Thank you for watching this latest installment of the Digital Nomad Playbook. Give us a like and subscribe. I'm Coach Gill. Catch you later.